So I've been wanting to get my eyebrows microbladed for a while now, but let's be real, it's not cheap. So I decided to dye my eyebrows with henna because I've used it before, so I thought, why not do it again? This time, I decided to share the process with you all. Here's what you need: henna dye, Q-tip, baby wipes, an old eyeliner wand, eye pencil, a spoolie, Vaseline to protect your skin, and nylon. You should carve your eyebrows 24 hours before you do this. First, mix the henna powder and solution on the nylon. Try not to stain your clothes in this process because it's nearly impossible to get off. If your fingers get stained in the process and you notice on time, just use a wipe. It should come off immediately, but if it settles, you'd have to wait for at least 2 days before it's completely off. While it's marinating, draw out the outline of your eyebrows with your eye pencil. Then you're going to coat the edges of your eyebrow with Vaseline to protect your skin. You do not want any reaction. Then use the eyeliner wand to apply the henna mixture carefully on your eyebrows. If you draw outside your eyebrow line, quickly grab a Q-tip and wrap your baby wipe around it, then quickly erase it. When applying the product to the beginning of your brows, you want to apply soft, gentle strokes. Don't go too hard on it, else you end up with box brows. Now, you leave it on for at least 10 minutes. Before you try this out, I advise you do a 24-hour patch test to see if your skin is going to react to it. Normally, I react to it like the next day, but when I apply ketoconazole cream, I apply it on that part that has tiny rashes underneath my eyebrow. I just do it for like 2 days and everything is gone. And the good thing about it is, the good thing or the bad thing is that you can't see it. I can only feel it. When the time is up, you're going to grab your baby wipes and then wipe it across your eyebrows. And just like that, your eyebrows are ready to slay per. That's so cringe. Anyways, I think they look really great. They look very nice. I have oily skin and these tend to last me for at least 3 days. It depends on your skin type, I guess, and the kind of skincare products you use. I actually use several simple cleansers. But yeah, this is something you should definitely try. But please do the patch test first. Thank you very much. Thank you. I think you should follow me. Yes, I think you should. But really, is this something you definitely try out? Let me know in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.